Hi guys, this is Sana and I welcome you all to my channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to make this book folding art. The materials required are a book, a plain paper, a scale, a pencil and scissors. Now let's get started. The first step is to take a plain sheet of paper and write your name on that paper. After writing the name, make vertical lines as shown, and these vertical lines should be little close to each other. Fill the entire name with the vertical lines. Now let us take a look at step 2. In this step, we have to mark numbers for each lines. The first line should be numbered as 1 and followed by. If you feel any difficulty in writing all the numbers because they are close by, you can skip 1 and write the next number, like I have written as 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. You can write the alternative numbers as per your wish. In the same way, continue marking for the entire name. If you are a beginner, I suggest you to take up simple fonts like this because it is easy to mark as you see. Take a book and make sure it is thick enough so that your name fits in it. Now moving to step 3. Step 3 is to mark the lines. Now take an odd numbered page on your book that will be on your right side. Place the paper below that page. Make sure that the edges of the paper and the book corresponds to each other. Place the first line of the letter corresponding to the page of the book. Now you have to mark the end points of number 1 as given. After marking the first line, turn your page and take the next odd numbered page. Now place the paper below the page and mark the edges of the number 2. Turn the next page, take the odd numbered page and mark number 3. Complete the entire marking in the same way. Now let us move to step 4. Take the first marked page, and here in my case I find 4 lines. Now fold the edges from the marked points. While folding the edges, make sure you have taken the first and the last marked line. Here I have 2 more lines in the center. Make a small cut in between the 2 lines and fold it in the same way. Continue folding in the same way for the entire name. After folding the entire lines, here is the result. Hope you guys liked today's video, and if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Feel free to comment your thoughts or clarify your doubts. That's it for today, and stay tuned for more interesting videos.